Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me. I'm just gonna go ahead and do some challenge drawing for Fubuki from One Punch Man. So please just sit back and enjoy the drawing. And here I go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start by drawing a small oval like this to indicate a face. And here's the just draw a little triangle and get the rhythm line by drawing a simple triangle like this. And from here, I'm gonna go like this to draw pelvic area and the leg. Okay, here you go. And here's the rib cage, which I'm gonna be drawing like this and put a small landmark like right here just to get some indicator. Again, do some, here's the armpit, elbows, and do a forearms. Here you go. And do some foreshortening to indicate where it's gonna be. So yeah, Yusuke Murata of One Punch Man is really the part of the reason why I got into drawing, because it's just so fascinating, like how he's able to draw such a detailed yet a comic like a characters that I really enjoy. I mean, well, him and that there are other artists or other professional comic book artists and the artists such as Loomis and Bridgman that also have inspired me as well. But yeah, Yusuke Murata from One Punch Man is some of the best well-known professional comic book artists out there in the world right now, and I wish I could just kind of find a way to emulate him, but it's a huge challenge, as you can see. Okay, make sure that I got rhythm line right. There you go. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do pelvic area like this. Cross X. There you go, and another indicate X, and try to get that rhythm line going. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, this right here is the one of the most difficult part of figure drawing, to get the overall the rhythm lines on the figure to make it more look dynamic. Let's see, just draw a hair. Okay, and then let me just go ahead and speed it up, and we'll see how it ends up. Okay, so there you have it, folks. Yeah, not exactly a finished drawing, but since I'm kind of out of time right now at the moment, I really can't go no further. So yeah, just tell me what you think, and even your criticism is welcome too. Um, I'm still in the progress of uh perfecting myself as a comic book. I don't want to say comic book artist, but really comic book hobbyist at least, and try to become like at least like semi-professional at the end of this year. So I hope you join me in my journey of becoming a wannabe comic book artist. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in next episode. Have a good night.